Hey guys, Tronics here, back with another Animaltronics review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Predators of the Rockies Animaltronics Timberwolf. Show you a little bit of the packaging here. Alright, let's take this guy out of the box and I'll show you what he does. Alright, got the Animaltronics Timberwolf out of the box now. Let's quickly go over the collector's guide that these all come with. Tells you a little bit about the Timberwolf. This was one of the first ones that were made by WowWee, so as like the elephant, it doesn't have all the ones that they eventually made. This one is pretty basic. It's got great detail, got the rubber skin, as like a lot of the WowWee animatronics do. This one has some spooky red eyes, but basically after you press the action button on its back here, it just raises its head and makes the classic wolf howl. So without further ado, let's see what he does. All right, one more time. All right, guys, that will conclude today's WowWee Animatronics review. As always, feel free to subscribe and share with me any animatronics that you guys may have. Take care, guys.